Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan, your science teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, class 8. We will have to discuss on the chapter number 7, that is cell structure and functions, in which we have to already explain something about that the initial topics, but here is some of the topic remain. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is what? Actually, it is a membranous structure. Membranous structure that can protect or prevent the cell from any injuries. It can helpful for making structure that means cell structure. It is responsible for what? It is responsible to maintain all the transportation. It has a tiny hole present in it that is responsible for transporting some of the material. It is a thin layer which is formed by the membrane that is covered the whole cell through it. It is a somewhat semi transparent, or you can say it is like semi permeable membrane, or you can also say it is semi-permeable membrane by which it can be, or selectively permeable membrane by which it can be formed. And this can be formed by, the plasma is formed by protein, that is lipoprotein. Lipoprotein, that means lipid and protein. So this can be form of lipid and proteins, and we can say it is the cell membrane is a protective layer which is made up by the very thin membranous structure called as cell membrane. That is a selectively permeable membrane which can only allow some of the important type of particles, and you can also say so it is a cell that the cell has the protective and boundary, the protective boundary are covering called as a cell membrane, which is a semi-permeable membrane that allows some of the material to transport, either maybe enter or move out. This is also called as a plasma membrane, as plasma lemma. Why? Because this is the living part of the cell and composed of a lipoprotein, that is lipid and protein, and they are having many holes in the edges, or you can say in the membrane for exchange and transportation. So, what are the main function of this? The main function of this that it can give the shape. It gives the shape of the cell. Next is it is a protective layer. It is protective layer that can protect or prevent from getting injured. Next is it is porous. It is porous. That means they having a minute hole on it that can allow some of the particles to move inside and outside as well. It is porous and controls the entry and exit, and control the entry and exit entry and exit of materials to and from to and from the cell. It is a semi-permeable membrane or selectively fluid permeable membrane. It is semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. That it is a specific amount that the substances are allowed in or out through it. So that means it can only allow some of the substances to move inside and to move outside of the cell. This is all about that the cell membrane. Next is cell wall. What is different between cell membrane and cell wall? Cell membrane only found in case of a plant cell. Why? Because this could not have any protective layer, that is a rigid, hard and complex form that are non-living. But this is the cell wall found in case of a plant cell as a non-living part of the body or cell, that is cell wall, which is composed of what? Cellulose, and that can only have the rigid, hard protective covering and have the thicker than protect in most of the cases. In plants there is a thick, strong and rigid cell wall. This is thick, strong and rigid cell wall that lies outside of the cell, a plasma membrane. This could be found if it is the plasma membrane. So here is outside of the cell, rigid, hard, protective and you can say thick layer are present. This layer is of cell wall. This cell wall protect it from the many cases. It is freely permeable and secreted. It is not a semi-permeable. It is freely permeable. It is freely permeable membrane, and this can secreted by the cell itself for the protection. This can be secreted by the cell itself, and through the plasma and cytoplasm. It can secrete through the cytoplasm and plasma as well. The cell wall determines the shape of the plant cell. It can also be determine the shape of the cell of a plant body, that is a plant cell, and prevent desiccation of the cell. Desiccation, that means entry and exits. Desiccations of the cells. It is thick layer made up of a cellulose, and it is a non-living and protective, you can say this can help for the different purposes. What are the main function of this cell wall? Main function of the cell wall is first protection or prevention prevention. Next is mechanical strength. It provides mechanical strength. Mechanical strength. It provides mechanical strength. Third, it controls the size and shape of the cell. Control the size and shape of the cell. It protects the plant cell against the variations in temperature. Protects in variation in temperature, variation in temperature, high wind, speed, and atmospheric moisture. Atmospheric moistures. This is the main function of the cell wall. Next one is cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? What is it composed of? What is it composed of? The cytoplasm is what actually? It is the jelly-like fluid. Cytoplasm is jelly-like fluid, which is supposed to be jelly-like fluid that fills up the space between the cell membrane. This is the jelly-like structure, jelly-like fluid, which is filled in between the cytoplasm and cell membrane. From the cell membrane to the nucleus, it will be filled up. This one is in the form of a fluid-like or jelly-like substance. It contains many dissolved substances, many chemical reactions, many dissolved substances they are having, and most of the chemical reactions takes place which keep the cells alive, such as a breakdown of a food or synthesis of a food. Breakdown of food and synthesis of a food. The breakdowning of a food or synthesis of a food that can take place in case of a cell cytoplasm as well. Take place in it is the sheet of the various cell organelles which perform the various functions. The cell organelles included the cytoplasm. These cell organelles, whatever the cell organelles present, these cell organelles present over there in case of a cytoplasm and float over there in the surface of in the case of a cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. What is the main function of the cytoplasm? Cytoplasm can control and make an environment for the survival of the cell organelles. What are these cell organelles are? Mitochondria, plastid, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, nucleus, vacuole, Golgi body, centrosomes. These are all about found in case of a cytoplasm. So cytoplasm already been completed here as The cytoplasm, which have the jelly-like a fluid present in them, which is very important for the survival or living of the all organelles present in it. It is the site for the different type of cell organelles, and here is the most of the chemical reactions takes place. Synthesis of a food, breakdown of a food takes place, as well as here the seat of the various type of cell organelles. What are these cell organelles are? These organelles are mitochondria, plastids, Golgi body, lysosomes, centrosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastid, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, centrosomes, and centrosomes, vacuoles, ribosomes, vacuoles, and ribosomes. So this is all about that the cell organelles are present over here, and now in which we have to study about mitochondria. Here we can draw the structure of the mitochondria in this concern. So here we can go through this structure. can go this way. So here is inner membrane and outer membrane, and rest of the other we will continue later.